sweet. It's a little chilly today. Spring suit. There's a marathon going on. We're going surfing. Just got over here. It is glassy and super nice. Small, but it should be fun. Cheers.
Women are just more evolved, I have to
Yeah, we are.
say. So what did you say? I'm in suspense. I need to know.
Much more warm.
I'm scared to get in. It's cold.
It's gonna be cold. You wanna get in here, paddle over?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go for it. We've got the sunrise. Ooh, first touch of water. Woo, feeling chilly. Oh my gosh. Ah. It's been a week since I surfed, so I'm really excited. To get in here, it almost feels weird to paddle, but it's gonna be a good morning. I can just sense it. Just paddled out. It's so glassy, there's no wind. It's just a beautiful day in Hawaii. It's so nice. There's some waves. Go, go, go! Ah! Who's getting it? My foot held onto that wipeout. So I wouldn't lose my board. That was nuts. Can't wait to see how that looks. Let's get you on a wave. With Manny, aloha. Yeah. Thank you. Careful. It is so glassy. Ooh.
Rolling.
Sexy.
Tomorrow it'll be much calmer. No, this looks better.
It's the Insta.
Oh, that's so cool. Like that one more.
I mean, I think the quality is better,
Yeah.
but the screen, I mean, I wish there was a screenshot.
Oh.
You.
Cool.
Yeah.
Coming. Oh, they're here.
and then just be like, and then I'll take it. Just taking a little break. Hi. Yup, my breakfast. Alright, so now we can go first. You guys are watching my... No way! Oh my god. I almost killed that girl. Okay. We have been out for about 30 minutes. Session's been super fun. I'm satiated. I'm gonna catch some waves. No, I'm not. Gonna get hammered. I think the tide is going up, if I'm not mistaken. Have my coffee, edit, and enjoy the rest of my Sunday. Oh yeah, so how often do you post? Every day. Woo! That was a fun one. Yeah. Okay, I think we're coming towards the end of my session. I'm still like a little low-key fatigued from my sickness because the kids, I think, got me sick. Well, that's my assumption, just because they've been crowding around my desk all the time, every day, blowing their nose. So I think I'm gonna catch a couple and then highlight on out of here. But it's been such a nice Sunday morning. I think this has definitely healed me. By tomorrow I should be back to 100. Yeah. Bye. That was a fun session. I'm feeling so much better. And I'm gonna make my way over, paddle in, and call it a morning. I'm pretty satisfied. And it was a fun day. Thanks for coming, guys. Yeah, they're there. Wait, it's not, it's on this side of me. Yay! Get over here. Get over here. Hey, sis.
Let's go.